I love skateboarding. It's fun. No, seriously. I don't know, skateboarding kind of changed my life. It's brought me so much joy and friendship and community, and it really has just made me smile. Over the last 5 years, I've been trying to kind of experiment and stuff with skateboards, and I was like, I want to skate different shapes and sizes and do different things, and it's more fun that way. They always say, how do you have so much energy to do this? Because I'm like 10 years older than most of them, and I'm out here skating more than them, and it's like, I don't know how you do it. It's like, I don't know, I'm having fun. This gives me life.